Hi there. Welcome back to Today's COVID Kitchen. It is summertime where I am, and beautiful sunny skies are the order of the day. Temperatures have gone up. They're pretty consistently in the mid to high 80s. Love it. It's also a really great time to change your cocktail game up. We're gonna be doing a recipe today that is a play on a very popular standard. We are going to flip the script on the Moscow Mule and make a strawberry Moscow Mule. It's a really refreshing drink, especially in warmer temperatures. It's one you can make by the glass or by the pitcher, and it goes over really, really well. It's like it's a constant crowd pleaser, and it only takes a few ingredients to make. Before we go through the few simple ingredients for this delicious cocktail, I want to show you a couple tools of the trade that you're going to want to have on hand to make this the way we need to make it. All right, let's start with our copper mug. I'm sure you're familiar with these. They're really not terribly expensive. I think they're a must-have for any good bar, and they will keep your drink nice and cool. So we're gonna actually fill this up with some ice cubes before we get started making our cocktail. If you start with a cooler copper mug, it just gives you a better finished drink. All right, you're also going to need a muddler. This is mine. We're gonna be muddling our strawberry and our mint leaves for our drink before we put it all together. All right, so now that we've gone through our tools that we need to make our strawberry Moscow Mule, let's walk through our ingredients. Of course, you're gonna want some fresh strawberries. Now, can you do this with frozen? Absolutely. I think the fresh berries give you a better finish, but you can certainly use frozen. I've also got some limes here. You're going to have your limes for juicing, or if you have a different kind of juicer, do it whatever way you need to do it, but you're gonna have some for juicing, you're gonna have some chopped strawberries for muddling. I also have some fresh mint leaves, which I pulled from my herb garden. Good investment to have a mint plant somewhere in your kitchen for use in recipes. We're gonna have a little garnish here just to make it nice and cute, just a strawberry with a mint leaf on top and a little slice of lime for our glass, all right? And then of course, we've got our vodka. I've got about 2 ounces in a shot glass here, and we're going to be topping this off with our ginger beer. All right, let's get started muddling. What I'm gonna do is pour a little bit of my lime juice into my copper mug. Now I'm gonna add some of the fresh mint leaves and some of my chopped fresh strawberries. Throw this one on in. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and take my muddler and press down on what's in the bottom of my mug. It's going to release all of the flavor from the mint and go ahead and kind of pulverize my fruit. Now, one thing you can do if you like at this step is do your muddling and then go ahead and put your copper mug in the fridge and let it release and kind of mix together. You'll get a little bit more flavor out of it when you finish making your cocktail. Let me give you a peek into the mug and show you what that looks like. There's my muddled mint and strawberry, muddled in with some lime juice. A lot of variations on this recipe. Some of them just include your strawberry and lime juice. Others are strawberry and simple syrup, no mint. You can also use something like thyme as a garnish, or even basil if you'd like. I'm a big fan of mint for this kind of cocktail, and so that's what I'm going with today. But play with it and see what your preference is, and give it a try. We're back to finish off the strawberry Moscow Mule. I have added ice cubes to my copper mug, and I let it chill for a second in the freezer there. So all that's left really is to go ahead and add our vodka. I've got a 2-ounce shot poured here. I'm gonna pour that right on top. And then I'm gonna finish it with some ginger beer. Get a nice, delicious fizz. Okay, now let's go ahead and garnish our drink. I've got a little lime slice here. And to make it super adorable, some strawberry with a mint leaf on top. Gorgeous. And finally, oops, look at you being difficult. I've got my copper straw. So I'm gonna go ahead and add that. And now it's ready to serve. All right, I hope you enjoyed making this quick cocktail recipe today, the Strawberry Moscow Mule. Please make sure to subscribe to the channel. We have a lot more recipes to do. We've got all kinds of really fun cocktails that we'll be trying out together, in addition to entree sides, desserts, and even some gardening, urban gardening. So please make sure to subscribe and share. If you have any adjustments you made or comments about the recipe, please share them with us on the YouTube channel. And if you made this recipe, please take a picture, share it on IG, and use the hashtag DaysCovidKitchen so we can see how yours turned out. All right? Thanks so much for joining us. Check back again for the next recipe. Bye-bye.